Good morning children. Previous class we saw verb, action words and be words we saw, and I hope you would have understood. You can see many more words in your text itself so that you can underline that and you can find out the meanings and whether it is really the verbs they are, if they are verbs. And you can write in the notebooks also, for 20 or 30 verbs you can write, because in the first lesson the nose jewel you have plenty of verbs, plenty of verbs are there. Those verbs you can write in the notebook. Now presently you can see some of the sentences I have written on the board. I hope it is clear for you to read. Let me read the first sentence. I write a story. Now I hope you will have understood which word is the verb here. Okay, so write, obviously write is the verb. Now what this is the subject, right? This is the subject. So what is the subject doing? He is writing. This is the action verb actually. So here what he is writing? What he is writing? He is writing a story. He is writing a story. So the action word with an object. Action word with an object. You can see action word is there and the action word has the object, has an object. Now again here you see they sold the car. They sold the car. So this is the subject. They, what they are doing? They are selling. They are selling. The sold is the past tense of sell. So they sold the car. What they are selling? See, repeatedly I am telling what. What he wrote, what they sold. I am repetitively I am telling. You have to concentrate in that. Okay. So what they sold? They have sold a car. Now I learnt English grammar. I learnt English grammar. Here it is sold. Verb is sold. This sentence learnt. Okay, I learnt English grammar. What this fellow has learnt, what this subject has learnt, he has learnt the English grammar. Okay, the girls sing a song. The girls sing a song. So what is this is the subject. The girl is subject. Sing a song. Now what the girl is doing? The girls are singing. The girls are singing. So sing is the verb and a song. What they are singing? They are singing a song. What they are singing? A song. We live in a hut. So where are they living? They are living in a hut. Obviously live is the verb, action word. So this is the action word and hut is what? It is an object. So in these sentences we can see there are objects. So the whoever is doing is having an object. Whoever is doing, the subject is having an object. Or you can say the action word receives an object, is having an object. Like that you can say. You can say these sentences. Now look at the other type of sentences I have. So first sentence is we arrived late. We arrived late. Now what is that? You can understand the meaning. We arrived late. So which is the action word here? It is the verb. Now, can you have an answer? We arrived late. What? You don't get any answer for that. See, the time has been given here. When? Maybe for when the answer is there. So we can say like that. So we arrived late. Time is given here. The cat jumped on the wall. Now what is the verb here? What is the verb? Jumped. So can you have any answer for what? Where it jumped only we can get an answer. Where it jumped. The sun shines bright. So obviously shines is the action word. So do you have any answer for what? Do you have any object there? No. How it shines? If you put a question, how it shines? You can say bright. But not, you don't have received any answer for what or whom. Okay. My father came early. My father came early. What is the verb here? That is came. Now what is early? Early doesn't have any answer for what? No. Okay. So he laughs loudly. He laughs loudly. How he laughs? Is loudly only he laughs. What is the verb? Laugh. Now here in these sentences we don't receive any object. We don't see any object in these sentences. So what we can conclude is that the sentence with an object, the sentence with an object is called transitive sentence. That is a transitive verb. What is that? the verb which receives an object is called a transitive verb. The verb which does not receive an object, it is intransitive verb. What is that? Intransitive verb. I hope it is clear, children. Intransitive verb. So what we can say is transitive verb has an object. Intransitive sentence intransitive verb doesn't have any object. It will not have any object. So here the doer receives an object. There the doer doesn't receive any object. So sentence without object is intransitive. The sentence or the verb without an object is a transitive verb. I hope you would have understood this, children. So just to see it, you will learn it easily. Repetitively you see. Okay ma? So what I said is the sentence, the verb which receives an object is transitive. The verb which does not receive an object is intransitive. I hope it is clear, children. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.